In this video, I want to walk you through setting up a new company page. Once you're logged into the account, to set up a new company page, you want to navigate to the work grid in the top right-hand corner. Once selected, you want to select Create a Company Page. Here, select whether or not you are a small business, a medium to large business, an educational institution, or it asks whether or not you want to set up a showcase page. A showcase page is similar to a company page, but if you have multiple subdivisions of your company, you would have one company page and then you would set up a showcase page. So if you already have a company page, maybe you do want to set up maybe you do want to designate this new page as a showcase page, so then you can connect it to your company page. But assuming that this is the first time that you are setting up your company page, I would select either small business or medium to large business, depending on how many employees that you have. So I'm going to select small business. First, it's going to ask me for a name. So I'm going to say Pursue Networking Updated. Then it'll ask you for a web page. You could always change this later, but this is going to be what the page is going to externally link to on the internet. PursueNetworking.com. You select the industry. I'm going to say education management. You select the company size. I'm going to say 0 to 1. Then you're going to select the company type. I'm going to say it's privately held. You can upload a logo, and then you can write your tagline. I'm not going to update a logo because I'll show you how you can do that directly on the company page. Click verify, and then you're going to create the page. Now, when you select a page, you're going to immediately see that you're in the admin view of the company page. You notice that by here it says the admin. You could also choose to select to view it as a member. And if I click on this, what happens is it's going to show you what the members would see when it came to this page, which you'll see there's no logo, there's no background photo, there's nothing about it. It's just a blank page. So let's go back to the admin view to be able to set up the page. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is set up the description. In the description, you want to write what it is about your company. You could take parts of messaging from your About section of your LinkedIn profile. Here is the About section of the Pursue Networking's company page. We state what Pursue Networking is, what our goals are, and we also outline how it is that we help people by outlining our core offers associated to our business. We also want to then end with a call to action because we're able to incorporate a URL link right underneath it through the link. Therefore, we want to make sure that we have a call to action at the end of our company page to entice the reader to click on the external link. So going back to our description, I'm just going to fill in the Pursue Networking description on this page as well. You'll see that there's a character limit of 2,000. We're fine, and I'm going to press save. Now, the next thing you want to update is the page info. And you'll see here that we want to add in a tagline. Now, you only have 120 characters, so you want to make sure to use this space as a way to explain to people who come to this page what it is that you do and how it is that you can help them. So you'll see here on Pursue Networking's company page, we say we are a community of business owners helping one another create profitable business results using LinkedIn. Join us. So I'm going to copy that tagline into this new page, and I'm going to press save. You'll see here that we also have the opportunity to change the LinkedIn public URL. And you want to make sure that this leverages the name of your company, because this is what you can include in links and make sure that it's more easily accessible for people. So you want to make sure that it is the name of your business or something close to it. You're also able to then update a location if you have a brick and mortar store, or if you have an actual destination, then you want to include that. And then you can also add hashtags to the company page, which we discussed in a separate video. So if I'm going to X out of here, I'm going to say no thanks. And the next thing I want to do is upload a logo. So you upload a logo by clicking on this pencil icon to upload a file. I'll press save, and there we go. So the next thing I want to do is to upload a cover image. Now, the cover image for your company page is similar to the profile, except that the dimensions of this file are a little bit less tall than the profile image. You'll see here that LinkedIn tells you what the recommended size should be. One thing that we try to incorporate into our background art is to optimize around the left-hand side of the photo and also the right-hand side of the photo. The reason is because you never know where the user's eye is going to be. On the left-hand side, you want to have the logo, but on the right-hand side, you can add a phrase or more of a call to action that explains to users what they might be able to get out of your company. So let's press save, and there you are. Now your page is set up. Let's view it as a member, and you'll see here you want to make sure that the website is linked, the about section is updated with the call to action to the external link. Now, the last thing that you want to make sure to do is to set up a post in order to make sure that it's a destination for your users and it doesn't look dormant. Now, if you have any questions about setting up a company page, the URL, how you should optimize it, then I encourage you to place your question in the comment or reach out to me directly so we can do it together.